Hello and welcome to our Keeping Up with the Joneses poster. For this section I'm going to talk about the expectations and realities of technology in education, and you'll see that there's a visual metaphor of an iceberg on our poster, and the above section of the water is the expectations and the below section are the expectations and the realities put together. So from my perspective, I'm required to use in my teaching 11 pieces of software that is expected of me by my educational institution and New Generation University. So that's Moodle, Callista, Allocate, Collaborate, Erkind, my writing lab from Pearson's, my maths lab, Echo, Mahara, Avoiding Plagiarism, and those other pieces of software. So that's the acknowledgement that we need to be able to use them, and us as academics adopting the use of these pieces of software. That's for online teaching, for blended teaching, and for face-to-face teaching. In addition, I adapt, so I add another 10 pieces of software to that are about my efficiency, productivity, and basically trying to make my life easier with managing technology. So there's vast differences as you look at the metaphor on the poster that will tell us what's expected and what the realities are. And I think it's very difficult to keep up. As I said earlier, I'm an early to middle adopter, and I think that I keep up with this information and changes quite readily. And I have to say that if I was a new staff member, it would feel like not an iceberg but a tsunami. It would feel completely overwhelming in terms of educational technology. So I think we acknowledge that we need to use it as educators, we adopt what we need to do, and then some of us adapt. But that does take an awful lot of time, effort and energy, and that's not considered, I think, in the working loads of academics.